Walk outside from that. Get your, yeah, I'll take your cell phone. I will lock your fingers back together. Lock them in there good until we walk outside.
What's your name, sir?
Walk outside. Yeah, got no more than that.